Are you working harder just to get by? It feels like prices are skyrocketing. Groceries are up 343%. Medical care is up 111%. Many people are feeling the burn, but why? Let's take a quick look at how we got to where we are today. In 1944, as World War II was ending, the Allied countries met in Bretton Woods, New Jersey to establish a new financial system. Countries agreed to fix their currency to the US dollar, and the US dollar would be tied to gold. This meant that countries around the world could trade their currencies for US dollars, which could then be exchanged for gold. When the dollar was tied to gold, it was very stable. Then politicians started massive spending, which meant printing more money. Sound familiar? Some countries became concerned that they were printing more money than they had gold reserves, and they began to convert their dollars into gold. That is why, in 1971, Nixon suspended the gold convertibility system. By removing the link to gold, Nixon created a system where all currencies were backed by nothing. This is what is known as a fiat currency. Fiat is a Latin word meaning by decree or force. Fiat currency only has value because the government says it does. And it only works as long as the people using it have faith and confidence in that decree. Since 1913, the US dollar has lost 97% of its value, and it loses more value every time the government prints more currency. Today, many people struggle paycheck to paycheck, deciding between putting food on the table or gas in the car. We've been taught that this is normal and that inflation is just part of economic growth. But is it? The answer is no. In fact, the cost of most things goes down over time. It's the printing of more dollars that is an underlying cause of skyrocketing prices. Because the more dollars there are in circulation, the less value each one has. But gold and silver, that's sound money, because they're tangible assets and can't be created out of thin air like fiat currencies. Once it's yours, you don't have to use trust to pay for things. You've got real money, and that's value that hasn't gone away for 5,000 years.